Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to install the blade on a Craftsman utility knife for under a minute, and it's very easy. So you just slide this thing here all the way up, slide all the way up, and this black button right here, this one right here, you just press hard and hold, and you just insert the blade right here, put it in, but be careful when you hold the blade, don't cut yourself. Slide it in until it stops and then let go. Then pull it up a little bit, you're gonna hear the click. There you go. That's it. Lock and loaded. To remove it, same thing, press and hold, pull out, insert, press and hold, slide, let go. There you go. Thank you for watching.